Hello everyone, welcome to the classes on cost management. We are working out problems on standard costing, and in this video I am going to work out a problem based on material cost variances. And this particular problem which I am going to work out in this video has been taken from your BCom Bangalore University question paper. This was given for 6 marks. Let us see what is the question here. The standard materials required for producing 100 units is 120 kgs. The standard materials required for producing 100 units output is 120 kgs. You should carefully understand the wordings of the question, otherwise you might confuse. So, to manufacture 100 units of output, the standard materials that should be inputted is 120 kgs. That means if you introduce 120 kgs of standard materials, you are going to get an output of 100 units. That is the standard materials. Standard quantity of materials to get an output of 100 units is 120 kgs. 120 kgs input madadre 100 units output sigate, that is the standards. Now, a standard price of 0.50 paisa is fixed. So, standard price per kg is 50 paise. Illi two informations are given. One is standard quantity and the other one is standard price. Standard price is given directly per kg, so you need not worry. 1 kgಗೆ 0.50 paisa ಅಂತ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್. ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಗಿವನ್. 24,000 units were produced during the period. So the number of units produced during the year, that is actual output. Actual output is given 20, that means 2,40,000 units. So the actual output is 2,40,000 units, and actual materials purchased were 3 lakh kgs. Actual materials purchased 3 lakh kgs and actual cost is 1,65,000. When they are giving actual cost 1,65,000, that should be understood that it is for the total quantity of actual materials. Total cost of actual materials, that means 3 lakh kgs costs 1,65,000. Because standard cost per kg is 0.5 paisa. That means this is the total cost given for 3 lakh kgs. Now, we should calculate two things here. One is standard quantity of materials used for manufacturing actual output. That means standard quantity for actual output. Adondu now calculate madabeku. Then you should also calculate actual material price. Actual price per kg. And calculating actual price per kg is very simple, because you have the actual quantity of materials purchased and also the total cost. So total cost divided by total quantity, you should easily get the actual material cost per kg. But you should exercise utmost care here while calculating standard quantity of materials. So standard quantity materials, what they are telling, to manufacture 100 units, they are using 120 kgs. That means if 120 kgs are used, you are manufacturing 100 units. That means let us divide. So 0, 0, that means 1.2. 1.2 kgs per unit. See, 100 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 120 kg ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು ಕೆ ಜಿ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಳಸ್ತಾರೆ? ಡಿವೈಡ್ 120/100, ದಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 1.2 kgs of raw materials are used to manufacture 1 unit of output. Then to manufacture actual output, what is actual output? 240,000 units. 240,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಯೂನಿಟ್ಗೆ 1.2 kgs ಆದರೆ 240,000 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ 240,000 into 1.2 kgs, that should be 288,000 kgs. That standard quantity should be 288,000 kgs. Check it once again. The standards are given in the question. That means to manufacture 100 units of output, they are going to use 120 kgs of raw material, but actually they have manufactured 240,000 units. So to manufacture 240,000 units of output, what is the standard materials required at the rate of 120 kgs per 100 units? When you divide 120 by 100, you are getting per kg, that is 1.2 kgs per unit. If it is 1.2 kgs per unit for 240,000 units, that should be 240,000 into 1.2 kgs. 288,000 kgs should be the standard quantity. ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ. The standard combination is given 120 kgs of input by 100 kgs of output, 100 units of output. Therefore, standard quantity should be 120 by 100 into actual output. Input by output into actual output. So you can derive a simple formula here, that is standard quantity. Calculate ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, that should be standard input divided by standard output into actual output, so that you will get standard quantity. If anyone is losing the common sense here, they can just write down this formula, that is to calculate standard quantity, standard input by standard output into actual output. So what is the standard input? 120 kgs. Standard output 100 into actual output 240,000 kgs, so that you will get 288,000 kgs. Now let's go to the calculation part now. First thing, standard quantity for actual output, that is 120 by 100, standard input minus divided by standard output into 240,000. This is actual output to. So calculate ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ you will get standard quantity equals to 288,000 kgs. Then actual quantity is given in the question, that is 3 lakh kgs. So directly you can take actual quantity 3 lakh kgs. Standard price per kg is also directly given in the question, that is 0.50 paise. So adu kuda direct agide namge. Then actual price per kg, it's given in the question. The total cost is given, but ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಪರ್ ಕೆ ಜಿಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೋದು. 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಕೆ ಜಿಗಳಿಗೆ 1,65,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳಾದರೆ ಫಾರ್ 1 kg that should be 1,65,000 divided by 3 lakhs, that should be 0.55 per kg. So we got standard quantity, actual quantity, standard price and actual price. ಈ 4 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಐಟಮ್ಸು ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ variances are simple, because all the variances depends upon these 4 things only: standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity, actual price. If these 4 are clear for you, you can blindly use the formulas. Let's proceed to the calculation of variances. Let's take material cost variance first. The formula is standard cost minus actual cost. Standard cost ಗೆ standard quantity into standard price, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2,88,000 kgs ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 50 paise minus actual quantity that's given in the question directly 3 lakh kgs into actual price, total price ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು, total cost ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು 1,65,000, ಅದನ್ನು divided by actual quantity 1,65,000 divided by 3 lakhs, we just calculated that should be 0.55. Now when you proceed to calculate 2,88,000 into 0.50, that should be 1,44,000 minus 3 lakhs into 0.55, that should come to 1,65,000. So 1,44,000 ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1,65,000 ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you are going to get a negative answer, that is minus 21,000. When you are getting a negative answer, that should be adverse variance. Within brackets you have to mention a capital A, adverse. ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ 3 lakhs kgs ಇಂಟು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ 0.50 ಮೈನಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಪ್ರೈಸು 0.55. ಸೊ 0.50 minus 0.55, that should be minus 0.05. Subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get minus 0.05. So 3 lakhs into minus 0.05, that should be minus 15,000. Again negative answer, you should be getting adverse variance. Price variance ಕೂಡ adverse ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Then proceed to the usage variance. The formula is standard price into standard quantity minus actual quantity. Standard price in the question is 0.50. Standard quantity ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ 2,88,000 kgs minus actual quantity given in the sum itself 3 lakh kgs. So 2,88,000 minus 3 lakhs, that should be minus 12,000. Minus 12,000 into 0.50 minus 6,000. Again negative answer, you should be taking it as adverse variance. ಸೊ ಕಾಸ್ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸು ಮತ್ತು ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಚೆಕ್ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಯೂಸೇಜ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್. ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸು minus 21,000, ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಈಸ್ minus 15,000 and usage is minus 6,000. So minus 15 minus 6, so minus you have to add, so that will be minus 21. So minus 21,000 equals to minus 21,000 verified. The variances we have calculated are perfect.